to cite textual evidence from one source. Hello everyone, well, this is a good question. How do you cite textual evidence? Today I'm going to focus on finding evidence in just one text instead of several sources. That being said, most people cite the evidence using this format. The text says, and according to the text. While there is nothing wrong with any of these two formats, I must say that the word text is overused so much that it just gets boring every time I read it. Therefore, I would like to recommend to you other word choices for the word text to spice up your writing. Here they are. According to the article, according to the author, according to the book, according to the commentary, according to the document, and according to the essay. I would like to bring your attention to this important detail. There is a comma after each word. Do not forget about it. Here, there are some other choices using the other format displayed earlier. The article says, the author says, the book says, the commentary says, the document says, and the essay says. The ellipses, those three dots at the end of each example, are just there for the purpose of indicating that there will be some text there. Notice that they must disappear once you type your own text. Now, are these the only existing word choices for the word text? Not at all. Take a look. Example, extract, excerpt, fragment, graphic, handbook, illustration, information, journalist, leaflet, magazine, news, notes, novel, pamphlet, passage, periodical, piece, picture, poem, poet, publication, reading, report, reporter, selection, stanza, story, study, textbook, verse, writer, and writing. By the way, there are more, but I think this will add variety to your writing. So, whenever you decide, pause the video, take a pic, or make your own list. At this time, I would like to bring you back to this. There is nothing wrong with this picture, but there is some repetition about it. Can you see it? No? Yes? Good. So, let's reveal the repetition. Here is the problem. Yes, the problem is that the word says is all over the place. There is no variety. Or is there? Therefore, I would like to recommend the following choices. The article adds, the author affirms, the book advocates, the commentary alleges, the document argues, the essay asserts. Now, mind you, there are more. Check out the list. Calls for, cites, claims, communicates, confirms, contends, declares, estimates, insists, informs, maintains, mentions, notifies, points out, proclaims, proves, reaffirms, remarks, repeats, replies, reports, reveals, shows, states, stresses, suggests, and tells. Well, that's a wrap for this tutorial on how to cite textual evidence from one source. Thanks for watching.